Here at Trinity, we're very focused on positive careers. And I think really what that means for students is that they're really working somewhere that they feel engaged in, that they feel they're doing meaningful work, and that ultimately it's going to make a difference. Our school's philosophy in terms of transforming business for good is embedded in our team here. So it's really the focus on enabling our students to really help develop their careers to have a positive impact on the world of business, whether that's in Ireland, through Europe or internationally. I work as part of a team in the careers and community area, and we have dedicated career consultants. A lot of those career consultants are really specialised in their field, so they've worked in industry for a number of years and they're guidance professionals. We actually start working with our students right from the very start. So often when these students are considering studying at Trinity and doing a master's programme with us, they get to see their career consultant on the webinar for their master's programme. And then as soon as they start with us here as well, we meet with them. We do induction week, so we have really tailored and practical workshops to help them get the basics right as they settle into their course. And going on from there, we provide the personalised service and very focused practical career fairs. So students can meet with us as many times as they want to during their master's programme. And also we provide lifelong support, so we engage actively with our alumni as well as they progress their careers. Really engaging our alumni is key to our success and to the students' success as well, and I think that's a really strong point in terms of the Trinity brand. We really work quite closely with our students to really help them uncover their own strengths, and that's where the beauty lies. So we want them to be confident in their careers and to do the best work that they can. And really that comes from a place of authenticity and really understanding themselves first before they move forward with their career. One of the key concerns students have is, will I find work? And I think our student success stories really speak for themselves. You can see where our Trinity alumni are working. They're working in some of the best companies here in Ireland and internationally. And through seeing somebody who's done that journey before you, you get to realise that that path is open to you as well. If you engage with the career service, we're going to give you all the tools that you need to achieve your career potential. So my best advice would be for somebody to really engage with the career service early on, as soon as they start the master's programme, really commit to their own personal development and really work and use the expertise of the careers team here. For me, the students that I work with know that I'm genuinely connected to their best interests, and that's what I think sets me apart. I love to really see them progress and develop their careers, and I really keep in touch with my students. For me, it's all about connection. That's what really makes a difference. Connecting them at the beginning to their master's programme, connecting them to the Trinity community, but more importantly, connecting them to their unique potential and their strengths, and really helping them unlock that as they move forward in their career.